Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome to Unlimited Earn concept. Today, we are going to discuss how exactly this business concept works. Let me tell you, Unlimited Earn this is an online marketing business. Here, you have to purchase any of our products and start referring it to others. If we start referring our products to others, then we will give you the commission for promoting our products. Okay? So let me explain you what are the products that we have it here. We have number one, 100 rupees product, which is known as marketing approach training. We have second product known as 300 rupees, which is known as smart marketing strategy. We have third product known as 500 rupees advanced marketing approach training. These are the three products what we have it here. To start the business with, you can start with 100 rupees product, 300 rupees product and 500 rupees product. Here you have to buy any of our product. Products will be available in audio form, and once you buy our products, then we will send the sponsor ID, which is known as the user ID also, and password to your registered mail ID, which you have to provide to us at the time of buying our product. See, I mean to say, whatever the this sponsor ID and the user ID which you get it at the time of purchasing our product, this sponsor ID and user ID you have to use it to promote it to others. For an example, if anyone is buying any of these products because of your promotion, then while buying this product, we will ask for the sponsor ID. In that sponsor ID, the one who has referred you to this particular business, his user ID, which is also known as sponsor ID, has to be used to buy any of our product. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Once you buy these particular products, then what happens? You will have the sponsor ID and the password generated by us. Using this, you can log into our website, that is www.unlimitedearn.in. In this particular website, you have to get into login page and you have to use the sponsor ID and your password. Then you will have an account get created. In that particular account, you can track how many members you have promoted this particular product, what is your payout, what is your weekly payout, what's your total commission earned so far, and the latest update what we have it will also be displaying over there, and your account will also consist of the products which will be available in the form of audios. So my dear friends, the products will be available in the form of audios. You have to log into your account in www.unlimitedearn.in, and over there you have to listen to our audios. So 100 rupees has its own audios, 300 has its own audios, and 500 has its own audios. So these audios will help you to understand what is the sales and marketing, as well as this will help you how to carry on this particular business to further level. Okay? So now let me explain you how exactly the business concept work. I hope you have understood what are the products we have it with us. Okay? Now I am going to explain you how exactly this particular business works. Okay? Let me assume there is a sponsorer. Okay? This particular sponsorer, let me assume it's you, and you will be having user ID as UL300. Let me assume in that way. Okay? He will refer this business to couple of people, and he can refer to unlimited people. Yeah? Let me assume it's A, B, C, D, E, like that. This we call it as level 1. Okay. Now, if your level 1 members promote our product to any other people, maybe like let me consider this A is promoting our product to some people, B is promoting our product to some people, C is promoting our product to some people, which can go unlimited. Then this particular level, let me consider here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as level 2. Okay. Now, then here what happens, the level 1 people will be treated as your direct members and we will give you 25% as direct commission. It could be from A, B, C, D, E or anyone, unlimited. These level 2 people will be treated as your indirect members and for these level 2 people we will give you 20% commission. Okay? It goes on like this. Now, if these level 2 people refer few people, same like in level 2, level 3, level 4, goes on. We will consider, let me take this one as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, like this. This is known as level 3. This level 3 people once get created under your chart, commission chart, then we will calculate this level 3 people as your second indirect members level, wherein we will give you 15% commission on this level 3. And level 3 people can continue like this. Same thing, the same commission chart continues when A1 refers few of his buddies, A2 refers few of his buddies, A3 refers few of his buddies, A4 refers few of his buddies, goes on like that. So let me take this one as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Okay, this is known as level 4. So in this level 4, what happens? We will give you 10% commission. And therefore, this is known as indirect members for you. Okay? So please remember, 25% level 1 is a direct members where you will be able to get 25%. Level 2 will be indirect members where you will be able to get 20%. Level 3 will be indirect members where you will be able to get 15%. And level 4 will be indirect members where you will be able to get 10%. And we have a last level wherein B1 refers few people, B2 refers few people, B3 refers few people, B4 refers few people. It goes on. This is known as level 5, and here you will get 5% commission. Please remember, my friends, you can go up to only level 5. Level 6 is not applicable for you. In this concept, till level 5 you will have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25% as commissions. In level 6 there is nothing. There will be nothing for you. But please to remember, direct commission 25% is applicable if you can refer directly to unlimited people. Unlimited. Please understand, direct people you can refer unlimited people. But when I speak about indirect members, till level 5 you can refer. Level 6 is not applicable. Okay? So I hope you have understood how exactly this concept works. Now I am going to explain you the second income concept, which is known as royalty. So I am going to explain you the another concept, which is known as royalty income concept. Okay? This is a second income concept what we have with us. So let me write it down here. Royalty. Okay? And this royalty, the very important thing what you have to understand is, this is an additional income which we are providing it to you beside what I explained so far. about 25, 20, 15, 10, 5% commission. Okay? And this royalty, we have certain set. We have certain set of targets wherein you have to achieve. If you achieve that set of target, then you will be able to earn very good income here. Okay? Let me explain. And this concept, if any team member can achieve in a span of 3 months, okay, in span of 3 months, 5,000 members team. If anyone can achieve in a span of 3 months, 5,000 team members, then you will be able to get 10% royalty income. Please understand, 10% royalty in the sense, whatever the commission you earn out of this 5,000, out of that commission, 10% will be given to you as a royalty and will give you 10,500 as a performance incentive. Okay? In span of 6 months, if you can achieve a team member of 10,000 members, then here we will give you again 10% royalty plus will give you 15,000 performance incentive. Okay? Now, in a span of 9 months, if you can achieve 25,000 team members, again we are going to give you 10% royalty plus 30,000 performance incentive. And in 12 months, if you can achieve 50,000 team members, again you will get 10% royalty plus you will be able to get 60,000 performance incentive. My dear friends, please understand, apart from whatever the commission you earn after reaching this 5,000, 10,000, 25,000 and 50,000, the direct commission of 25% and indirect commission of 50%. Okay? You will be eligible to get 10% royalty on each levels with respect to the target that you complete and performance incentive additionally, which is really great. Okay? Now, apart from this, we also have some interesting offer for you. The reason why we have kept this offer, because we want our people to earn. So keeping that thing in our mind, first 5 members who will achieve 50,000 members team. Okay? First 5 members who will achieve 50,000 members team. For them, we are giving Thailand and Singapore trip. Okay? If people say, I'm not interested in Thailand, Singapore trip because I'm not so fond of moving abroad, then we will give them 2-wheeler. We'll give them 2-wheeler. We have an option for you people. Okay? So, now, if there are few people who wants to earn, who wants to work very hard, for them, especially for them, if they achieve exceptionally 1 lakh team members, 1 lakh team members, okay? Then we are so happy, 1 lakh team members and above, okay? We want to give them something which is really attractive. So we are gifting them brand new car. We want to appreciate their hard work. Apart from whatever the commission they are earning, apart from whatever the royalty percentage and the performance incentive they are getting, we will be giving them brand new car, which is really very much attractive. Because we feel every individual who works, he works to achieve something. So along with the money, he needs something which is basic. car is very essential. There are few people who wants to be a very hard worker and who wants to achieve a lot. Ten lakh members. People may think 10 lakh members. Yes, 10 lakh members. If anyone can achieve 10 lakh members, which is not so easy, I'm telling you, really it's not so easy until and unless you have to be determined and dedicated to your work. If you achieve, every individual has its goal to have his own house. But it's not so easy because it is worth of 40 to 50 lakh rupees. To earn that 40 to 50 lakh rupees, it's very difficult. But seeing the hard effort of our people, if anyone reaches 10 lakh members, then we have decided to gift them one luxury flat. Buying a flat is a dream home, which we call it as for every individual. But to buy a flat, you know how much money it requires and how much effort it requires. So if that effort, more than that, if anyone can do it, we will give them one luxury flat. Isn't it great? This is a really extraordinary gift. So I urge each and every people who are watching this video, please like it and share it and subscribe it. Okay? And please work on this, promote our business, because our products are really very good. So promote our products. I'll ensure you that whoever works hard, there will be result and the profit will be given to them. Thank you very much.